Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Now we're going to start this one off with a classic car moment for you all.
Got a feeling now.
That cute little car there you can see is a 1960 Austin A40.
Got a feeling now.
We've moved on slightly now from the previous clip and I've got another classic vehicle for you. It's in front of us as you can see, and that car there is nearly 100 years old. It is a 1930 Austin A12-4. You know, to think that even predates the Second World War too. I mean, we get level with it down here at the roundabout, and the camera don't actually do it justice because it did actually look in a remarkable condition. You know, absolutely fair play to the owner for keeping in such a lovely condition. Absolutely. I'll do a screenshot here and zoom in as well so you guys can have a closer look.
Take a look at her, isn't that gorgeous?
And it's easy to see why. Whether you're gaming, working from home, or streaming your favourite shows, EE understands the importance of connecting easily, and without compromise. So win the ultimate connection.
It's time for the Stratton Baskerville roundabout again. Oh yeah.
Yep, we're back at that roundabout again. But this time we're not looking at red light runners or numpties in the wrong lane. This time we're actually looking at another classic vehicle for you. What you see here is a 1999 Fiat Ducato. I have another one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. Now this tidy little number is a 1981 Porsche 924. I have another one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. What you see here is a 1999 Volkswagen Transporter.
I remember letting you guys cut across.
Now, the next few clips you're going to see were all filmed on the same day, the 24th of February, but they're also going to have music overlaid as well. Now, the reason for this is because I had the missus in the car with me. Now, fellas, we all know what women are like when they get in the car. You know, you can't keep them quiet. In fact, it reminds me of that song by Chaz and Dave, Rabbit. If you go on YouTube, you'll know what I mean. But anyway, I've got a classic vehicle coming up for you on the right hand side. What you see here is a 1998 Vauxhall Corsa. But now Mr. Lapwig in front of us gets bored of that lane and wants to come into our lane instead. This is the St Nicholas Park area of Nuneaton, and I've got another one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1999 Nissan Micra. We're in the village of Bulkington in this clip, and we come up to a mini roundabout. Now we've got a car coming from the right hand side, you'll see it pop out shortly. But at the back it's got a load of planks of wood sticking out the back. They don't appear to be tethered down or secure, and there's no like high vis type thing on the back just for extra visibility for drivers. I mean, is that even road legal? Now you can't make it out on the camera, but I can assure you there was not any kind of tethering or fasten down or anything in the back of that car. I don't even know if it would have took it overweight either, to be fair. As you can tell, we're on the rear camera again, and we're just coming into Anstey, and we're looking at the car behind us. Look at those two lovebirds there. Ah, get a room you two. And once again, we're coming into the big Asda store in Coventry, and as we all know, at mini roundabouts, or normal roundabouts for that matter, it is priority to traffic from the right. But old Ray Charles here never got the memo. We're just leaving the big Asda store in Coventry, and I've got one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. What you see here is a 2000 Fiat Seicento. We have another one here who didn't seem to get the memo about give way to the right at roundabouts either. This is the B4065 we're now on, and we're coming into Anstey. Now this road takes you into Shilton and eventually Wolvie, and we're looking at that white van in front of us. Now you can see that white car's just overtaken. Now you can't make it out on the camera as such, but that van in front has actually got his hazard lights on, and he's going a lot slower than the speed limit. So I don't know whether he's actually got something wrong with whether he was like had a fault with the van or whether he was looking for somewhere. But he carried on driving like this for some considerable distance. Now I weren't going to overtake because again I weren't sure if he was going to turn right or take an immediate right or something, or whether there was something wrong. Obviously if he broke down I'd need to give myself enough space to pull out and overtake. But then as we come into Shilton he does this. So he came all the way down with your hazards on, all the way from the M69, M6 interchange at Anstey, just to pull in there. And once again we're back on the rear camera. This is Coalpit Lane and we're heading up to the A5 roundabout with Magna Park. And I've got one of my old favourites here, the old places to be and people to see mob. I ain't seen one of these for what, a couple of videos now. You'll just see him now overtaking that silver car behind us. Back to the front camera to see old matey having it way like a robber's dog up the road. Now there is another vehicle up there in front of us and he does try to overtake him, but has to move back over due to vehicles coming the other way. And driving like that hasn't got him anywhere because we do catch up with him at the roundabout with the A5. I'll fast forward now right up till we get to the roundabout. It's not too far up the road to be fair. And no surprise to see it's a BMW, or a brainless mental wander. We're just on the border now between Burbage and Hinckley in this clip, and I've got another one for you classic vehicle enthusiasts. What you're looking at here is a 1998 Citroen Xantia. Now, I did leave it until it was clear of the bridge because as you can see the lighting was a hell of a lot better.
Another safety walk in the town later this week.
This is the B4109 we're on, just coming through Burbage, and we've got this broken down escalator in front of us in the white minibus. I'm not too bothered about the white car because he cleared the junction pretty fast. But now we're coming up to a roundabout. Now the minibus does stop because there was a car wanted to go around, but he still stops there even after that car has gone. Now the roundabout was clear then from this point, so he was obviously preoccupied with something. A phone maybe, I don't know.
Come on, wakey wakey.
Now I couldn't tell if there was a phone, so I am just speculating at this point.
£100,000. Let's make this happen. Let's get you in the drawer right now.
We're just coming into Wolvie Heath in this clip, and we're going to see a flatbed on this roundabout, and on the back of it is a van which, shall we say, looks like it's seen better days. I have absolutely no idea what's happened here. I mean, is it a scrappy that's being salvaged for parts, or has it been involved in an accident? Obviously, if it's been involved in an accident, I hope the driver was okay.
Go off. Oh yeah. Look at that. Shit the bed.
I've got another one here for you classic vehicle enthusiasts, and I'm sure you're all going to like this one. I know I did. Now what you're looking at here is a very tidy looking 1955 Jaguar XK140. But anyway, that's all we've got time for this week. If you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care, bye for now, and above all, be safe out there.